one of these questions because we haven't done one yet. Effective interest rate. Okay, you're going to want this formula I have in the bottom. A is like the amount that your loan was for, and P is for what you actually started with in your loan. Okay, so Felipa took out $860 discount loan for a period of n months, and the simple interest rate was 6%. The amount that was actually dispersed in her bank account was $838.50. So the loan was for $860, but some of that money went to interest. Okay, so calculate the effective interest rate. Let's see, we got A is 860, P is 838.50, R is the simple interest rate, 6%, so we don't have R, the effective interest rate. So I think Newton usually calls this R sub 1. Okay, the effective interest rate, different than the R that we use in I equals P RT. Okay. So in this formula we have A, 860, we have P, it's 838.50. We don't have T, but we can find that, okay, using the simple interest formula. Because we do know how much interest was charged in this loan. We took out a loan for $860, but we only got $838.50, so that means there's $21.50 for interest. And the principal was $860. That was the starting amount. The simple interest rate was 0.06, right, which is different than the R that we use in this formula down here. And then time is that thing we're trying to find out. So 51.6 divide both sides by 51.6. So T equals 0.416 repeating years, or if you multiply that by 12, 5 months. Okay, so now I think we got enough information. The amount that we end with, the amount that the loan was supposed to start with, $860, and then the amount that we actually got was $838.50. So to find the R sub 1, the effective interest rate, we're going to plug in the time in years. So you could put 5 out of 12 here, or you could just use that decimal that we found, 0.416 repeating. Okay, and then you've got a little equation to solve. Move that over here. Okay, so let's distribute that 838. So multiplying it here, 0.4166666 times 838.50 gives us 349.37. That's going to round up. Oh man, let's keep some decimals. 0.375. This is R sub 1 over here. So you know the drill. You got 860, subtract 838.50 from both sides. You get $21.50 equals 349.375 R sub 1. So divide $21.50 by 349.375 from both sides. So you get about 0.0615, which is 6.15 when you convert it to a percent, which is what they've got there. Okay, just want to make sure I go over one of those before I leave you hanging.